Hey everyone, welcome to TechBase. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to turn on JOI notifications. So let's get started. First, launch Open Settings on your mobile device. Scroll down until you find Apps option. Tap on it. Now select Manage Apps option. In the search bar, type in JOI and perform your search. Tap on it. Scroll down a little and then tap on Notifications option. To turn on JOI notifications, enable Show Notifications option. And this is how you can turn on JOI notifications. Thanks for watching TechBase. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.